Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to download the Plush Pets Datapack on your server. The Plush Pets Datapack basically adds plushies into your world. You can find them as loot in chests and they can be picked up and placed down like player heads. You can find different plushies based on the different biomes and structures. Additionally, you can animate a placed plush into a pet by using a weakness potion on it and then giving it a glistering melon slice. As you can see, the plush becomes animated. If you have more than one plush pet, you can breed them as well using feathers. That'll drop a plush egg which will hatch within 10 minutes. The plush that emerges will be the variant of one of the parents. Lastly, if you desire, you can name your plush pets using a regular name tag too. Firstly, you can use the link in the description to get to the official download page. When you're there, simply scroll down until you see the CurseForge download button. When you click that button, it'll redirect you to a CurseForge page. There you just want to click download on the main file and then wait a couple seconds for the datapack zip to download. Once the datapack zip is downloaded, we recommend you move it to a place you can easily access, for example, your desktop. For this step, you're going to have to go to the Server.pro website and access your server control panel from there. At the dashboard, make sure that the server version matches the datapack version to ensure no complications. In this case, the server version should be set to 1.19.2. Before proceeding to the next step, quickly confirm that the server is offline. Firstly, I'll be showing you how to upload the datapack onto a world you've already created. This datapack doesn't require you to make a new world, but if you're interested in that, I'll be showing you how to create a brand new world with the datapack enabled after. Firstly, what you're going to do is head to the Files tab. Click on the World folder and then the Datapacks folder. Here's where you're going to drag the datapack zip you downloaded at the beginning of the video. And that's it, the datapack is uploaded onto your world. However, if you're interested in creating a brand new world with the datapack enabled, you're going to want to head to the Worlds tab. Here's where you're going to create a brand new world. You can set your world name and adjust world settings as usual. Just make sure the world name doesn't have spaces or special characters. However, below you'll also see a button labeled Upload Datapacks. Simply click the Select Files button and then navigate to the area you save the datapack zip to. Once you found it, press Open and then Create World. It'll take a second for the files to upload, but when that's done, you should go into the Files tab. Double click on your World folder and then go into the Datapacks folder. If you see the datapack zip inside, it means you followed these steps correctly. Then all you have to do is log into your server to experience the new additions. You can do this by restarting your server. After it's booted up, head to the dashboard and copy the host name. Quickly launch your Minecraft application and when it's open, head to the multiplayer section. Click Add Server and in the server address section, paste the host name. When you join the server, you'll be able to start breeding your own plush pets. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching!